What's up, guys? Today we're gonna talk about 4 questions to ask when you're hiring a consultant. So like, how do you know you're gonna hire a good consultant? Or if you're gonna hire a fuddy-duddy? No one wants to hire a fuddy-duddy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe so you do not become a fuddy-duddy. Guys, so seriously, no, do it, go ahead. It's all right. And honestly, everyone that doesn't like this video, like I wanna see how many views there are and how many likes and comments there are. And if you didn't like or comment, you are, congratulations, a fuddy-duddy. Anyways, guys, my name is Chris Chana, founder and CEO of Active Age Daytime Senior Care. Today we're talking about 4 questions to ask yourself or ask the consultant that you're looking to hire before you actually hire them. Number 1 is, who are their current clients? Who are they currently servicing? Find out who the current clients are. See if those customers are doing the type of business or are in the process of building something similar to what you want to build. Okay, because the last thing you want to do is get insight, this knowledge, this understanding from someone that's like helping these other companies do something that is not anything like in alignment with what you're trying to do. So make sure the current clients, those current clients are going to be kind of a testimony to like, oh yeah, like Bob's doing that and he's killing it, he's crushing it, he's doing a great job. I want to go and that's what I want to build. That's what excites me. So like if you can say that about some of the current clients and what they're building and the way their brands look and what they're portraying, then that is at least going to be a good sign that like this potentially might be the right person, okay? But we don't know yet. We still gotta ask more questions. Number 2, past experience, probably the most important thing. Okay? Because the first one was just qualifying to make sure that you're not wasting your time, like learning more about this consultant. Number 2 though, this is where the meat and potatoes are, okay? This is where it really matters. Have they actually done what they're teaching you to do? I cannot tell you how many times I've come across people that are consultants, okay? And they consult, okay? And they try to help you open up your own business, but they've never started their own, except for their consulting business, okay? And like, they're not helping you start a consulting business, they're trying to help you start this real business, okay? You got real money and you got real time at stake. So you wanna make sure that like, have they gone through the process of starting a business, okay? And then building that business and then exiting that business successfully. When I say exit, I don't mean close it down to go start a consulting business. I mean, they sold that business for a profit, okay? Like, did that happen? Is their past experience, whatever it is that you're about to get into, whatever it is that you're about to go do when it comes to the type of adult day center you want to run, is there some form of experience when it comes to them being able to actually walk you down this path, okay? Now, another thing you want to find out too is number 3, their systems. Do they have systems? Do they have standard operating procedures? Do they have a booklet, a guide, a workbook, something that they can provide to you, a system that you can follow, or is it just going to be like a person talking on the phone, right? Because sometimes if this consultant is just someone that like, is just talking on the phone helping you out, but there's no game plan, there's no guide, there's no roadmap, then it can be really easy to get lost and pay a bunch of money to someone that never gets you to your destination. Right? So you want to make sure that whatever this person is selling you, do they have a clear roadmap from starting point to the ending point, and what does that roadmap look like, okay? So you want to make sure like, okay, this is what we're going to do at this stage. This is what we're going to do at this stage. This is what's going to happen next. This is what's going to happen after this. And then we're going to get you here, and then this is going to happen. And we're going to get you that destination that you want to see. And it comes in 5 steps or 8 steps, but they have steps for it, and they have a process for it, and they have a plan for it, and they're going to help you get to that destination, okay? And last but not least, you got to qualify, man. Like, you got to make sure that you talk to past clients and get their feedback. Was it a good experience? If they could do it all over again, would they hire that consultant again? Did they feel like it saved them time and money? Did they feel like it was worth the expense? You want to ask them tough questions. What was it like working with that person? Did you guys ever have any arguments, or did you ever have a time where you felt like maybe what that person was selling you was a little misleading as to what you actually got? Ask them tough questions and try to get the honest answers out of them, because you really want to make sure that you know what you're entering, okay? Even if not everyone with a perfect experience. The reality of it is what you're trying to qualify here is, did they help me get to my destination faster and potentially save money, right? So you might spend money to hire a consultant, but that consultant might, if it's a good consultant, save you a lot of money because they're preventing you from making mistakes, okay? So make sure you do these 3 things. Find out who their current clients are. Are those the types of people that you aspire to become like? Are those the businesses, like the adult day center, like types that you want to build? Number 2, past experiences. Find out what they've done. Have they actually done what they're teaching you to do? Number 3, do they have systems in place to get you to your goalpost? And number 4, talk to their past clients, get the feedback. Do it, guys. You wanna make sure you qualify them before you go hire that consultant. I know it can be exciting, you're all pumped up, oh, this person's gonna save the day. And then 6 months later, you're like, damn, I'm out of money and I didn't get to my destination. And the consultant is over there living the dream, Anyways, guys, I hope this was helpful. Hope this provided a little insight and can help you make a better decision. Thank you so much for joining us. Make sure you go onto our YouTube videos or our YouTube channel, check out all of our YouTube videos. Go to our adcpro.com website. We got tons of information there. We do a monthly webinar. We got a private Facebook group you can join. And if you're interested in learning how to open up your very own Active Age franchise, and no guy, activeagecare.com/franchise. It's hard to say that 5 times fast. Anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Peace. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.